Hey guys, it's Junior. Welcome back to Horsepower Warehouse. This week, I'm just gonna load you guys with content. We have so much to go over that I failed you guys last weekend. I missed a video. So this weekend, I'm gonna shoot you guys a couple. So we're 2 for 2. We're on Tuesday. Let's jump right into it. Let me catch you guys up with where we are currently, because in the last video is well over a week old. We just got a new acquisition here. Just standing here though, what do you guys see? The Corvette guys, the purists, are probably right about now going, So those are 67 side vents, but you'll notice the absence of the 67 specific reverse light. You'll notice flared rears here, right? This car has hips on it a little bit compared to your standard profile of the rear there. Side pipes, rally wheels. Under here you'll notice there's, wow, quite a bit of upgrades going on here. This is a car that is how the guy wanted it. He built the car as a driver, as something that was, he had a vision in his head and he goes, man, I want a silver with black, I want modern AC, I want rack and pinion steering, I want coilovers, I want side pipes. This was tailor-made for someone. I'm sure he spent a fantastic amount of money to make this happen. A lot of the Corvette purists probably don't like this car all this much. It looks fantastic, but you know, for the NCRS judges, this is probably not their favorite car. So we have aftermarket AC, we have power steering down there, we have power brakes obviously. You can see a aftermarket aluminum radiator with the fan. If we peek, it's kind of hard to get a shot for you guys, but you can see how the steering column is coming down and going to a rack and pinion down there, which is pretty neat, a rare thing. Not very many guys do that because it's a big dollar kit. Another big dollar kit. I'll show you up under the rear here. That is a Ride Tech coilover suspension kit, and it has the Ride Tech trailing arms, which again, another another pretty penny was spent on that. So it's got brand new top. The paint is fresh. The interior is like brand new as well. Door panels, seats, carpet. All of the dash, everything is fresh and brand new. Looks like we have a modern radio tucked up under there. So he made it, I mean, just a driver's car, which is really, really cool. It looks, it's a show car, but he gave it all the amenities. Tilt as well. I'm just kind of noticing here. Powder coated column, tilt, which is neat. Yeah. You don't see very many tilt on these Vettes. So my father, he's, you know, kind of grew up with these cars. So he said back in the 70s, what guys were doing is putting Kragers on these. This car's kind of set up for it. He was considering doing like a set of 15 by 10 Kragers and maybe 15 by 6s in the front, because it's already got the fenders there. This is of course a fully adjustable coilover suspension, so we're going to lower the rear down a little bit to match the front. You can see the profile doesn't, it's good, but it's not great. I could go down another inch in the rear. So comment down below, what would you guys do with this car? Assuming one of you doesn't purchase it before we have the chance to do anything to it, because that's kind of been known to happen lately. But I'm happy I got to show you this. Guys, we have so much content for this upcoming week. I want to give you a sneak peek. We have another new car I'm going to show you. That's all you're getting right now though. Let's make our way over. I have a CarMax experience that I'm going to share with you guys. What YouTuber doesn't have a CarMax experience on their, this is my wife's car, by the way, 2018 Camry SE. I was going to take it to CarMax, and I have a pretty hilarious experience about that. You know, I live the dealer life, so to speak, so I have another video upcoming about this week. I'm going to explain to you guys a high dollar paint job versus a medium and mediocre paint job. This thing is fantastic. So happy to be able to show this to you guys. But again, you're going to have to tune in this week. Why is my wife's car here with a Classic Cars of Sarasota plate on it? I've been waiting 2 years for something. Almost 2 years. I was not a day one reservation. I was a few weeks in. I'm kind of curious what you guys would do with this. So my wife has, of course, fallen in love with it. '22 Bronco Wild Track Lux package, trailer package, leather. It's fully outloaded. It's every single option, and it's the hard to get one. Molded in color top. I mean, when I was at the Ford dealer picking this up, they were giving me offers. They told me don't disclose it publicly, but I was really scratching my head at the Ford dealer thinking about leaving it there. I had people climbing through it when I'm trying to sign the paperwork, again giving me offers on the truck. Highly desirable right now, but I love it because I've outfitted it in my spec. I personally picked this out. I love white vehicles, Wild Track graphics. They were like $520 for the graphics kit. Man, I love this truck, and my wife does too, but the market right now is so incredibly hot that we'll never be able to make a profit on a vehicle like this again. Man, comment down below, what would you guys do? Should I take the profit now and just get back in line? It'll be another 2 or 3 solid years before I could put my grimy little fingers on one of these again. So, it breaks my heart. You guys know me, I drive a 2007 Tacoma with over 300,000 miles on it, and I love my 07 Tacoma. So, I mean, I have an appreciation for the off-road trucks. My wife has been wanting an SUV. This is not her dream truck. She wants a new Tahoe, and the new Tahoe RST and the Z71 are so much money that I just couldn't. I mean, that's beyond what I feel comfortable spending on a vehicle. This is top of my price range, and I feel like I love this truck, but someone I feel like with more money is gonna love it more. So comment down below, what should I do? Let me show you guys what else we got going on. We are at 7 minutes 35. Let's skip on through the shop. I'm gonna give you guys a shop update as well. Everything's looking nice with the Marlboro car. I know better than to run through a shop with a lapel mic on me because it makes me sound out of shape. Whoop, under the chain. So we have a side pipe conversion going on here. 67, of course. You can see the pipes are on. We just have the rear exhaust panel that is getting ready to head off the paint. Actually, this morning, the boss is personally taking care of that. He's taking it to the painter because this is in kind of a hurry. We, of course, got our end of it done pretty expeditiously, but again, need the exhaust panel to complete the job, so boss man's getting that done. Senior. 64 is going on the lift as soon as this 67 is off. 64 is going on there, and we're prepping it for a body off. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Our 78 here looks absolutely fantastic. We noticed last minute that it had a little bit of a drip from the transmission pan. So we, of course, put a brand new pan gasket on it and a fluid flush. And the passenger side front caliper had just a little bit of a weep coming out from where the two castings mate together. So at last minute, I grabbed a new caliper. This one is ready to be shipped out. So I'm happy with it. I think the guy's gonna be really, really happy with this car. So yeah, it's always these last minute kind of things. This one is on the lift over here so we can have the fans blowing out. We are sanding and painting and reconditioning the bottom of the 64 here. Give you guys a little peek. I'm gonna work on it more today. It'll look better, but oh, man, absolutely fantastic. So nope, that's all you get. Gotta tune in. Upcoming, we got more coming this week. I wish I could say I had an air conditioning kit for you so I can show you, you know, kind of the process with that. I do not. Still anticipating that. This one is super, super close. So waiting on some little things, and then that one will be done. And that about wraps it up for today's episode. I'm gonna like I said, I got more to shoot for you tomorrow. I'm gonna go more in depth with some of the stuff that I just went over with you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Until next time, take care.